Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today, we're taking a deep look at the HP OpenBook 5 16-inch laptop, one of the HP most talked about laptop of 2025, promising great performance, long battery life, and smart AI features. In this review, I will cover design, hardware, software, real-world performance, battery life, pros and cons, and whether this laptop is worth your money. Well, let's dive in. In our first step, we have design and build quality. The first thing you notice is how clean and modern it feels. The OmniBook 5 has a sleek aluminum body with a thin bezels around the 16-inch display. Despite the larger screen, it's surprisingly lightweight, perfect for a student, professional, and a content creator on the go. Build quality feels premium. Everything from the keyboard to the hinge feels solid and well built. Display details. HP has equipped this laptop with a 16-inch 2K display and 120Hz refresh rate, crisp, vibrant, and smooth. It's used on an IPS or OLED panel depending on the configuration, giving you excellent color accuracy and wide view angles. On the camera with a close-up, whether you're watching a movie, editing content, or just browsing, the display looks great. This is one of the strongest points of this machine. In our third spot, we have the hardware. Under the hood, the OmniBook 5 comes in several configurations. You can choose between Intel Core Ultra, standard Intel Core 5-7, or a Snapdragon AI version. RAM goes up to 32GB and storage up to a 1TB NVMe SSD, giving you plenty of performance and fast load times. This flexibility means you can tailor the machine to your needs, whether it's everyday tasks, student work, or content creators needed. Well, let's talk about the battery life. Battery life is a highlight here. HP claims up to the 12 to 15 hours of a typical usage, and in more efficiency Snapdragon models, you can see 20 plus hours in a light task like video streaming. This means you can through a full work day without needing a charge, a huge advantage for a student and remote workers. Audio quality is surprisingly good for a laptop this thin, clear and full enough for video and a voice call. Webcam performance well in a good lighting and a noise reduction helps in the video meeting. HP includes privacy features too, like a camera shutter and a secure BIOS setting. Well, let's talk about the real-world performance. In benchmark, this laptop performs very well, topping a score in a productivity and a daily workflow. Heavy configuration almost match larger worksheet for an everyday task. In practice, web browsing with dozens of tabs, Zoom calls, video editing, Photoshop, even light Premiere work, this laptop handles everything smoothly. GPU performance is not for heavy gaming, but casually game and older titles run fine. Software and AI features. The laptop runs Windows 11 with the full support for Copilot plus AI features and supported configuration. That means powerful AI tools like context search, click to do, and a real all built natively into the OS. Let's quickly try Copilot. Plus, you can ask it to summarizing this document, draft an email, or help you optimize your workflow. These AI tools can genuinely save this time in daily use. Compared to other laptops in this range like Dell XPS, Lenovo Yoga, or MacBook Air, the OmniBook 5 stands out for AI support, battery life, and price to performance. MacBook might be beaten in an ecosystem and raw performance, but HP brings Windows flexibility and a Copilot plus AI to the table. Well, on the camera with a bold list, we have the pros and cons, like excellent battery life, fast performance for daily tasks, beautiful display, a strong build quality, AI features built into the Windows, and in the downside we have not ideal for a heavy 3D gaming, performance depends on a selected configuration, some models can be priced. and a very heavy price. Well, who is in this laptop for? This laptop is perfect for a student and a remote workers, content creator and editor, professional who travel often, anyone who values long battery life and a strong everyday performance. So what's the final take? The HP OmniBook 5 with a 16-inch laptop is a solid all-around performance. It doesn't aim to be a gaming beast, but for most real-world users, from office work to creative tasks, it's more than capable. Thanks for watching. If you like this review, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more in-depth tech content. Let me know in the comment what device I should review next. See you in the next one.